Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Trade Confident. It is Friday. Hope you guys are having some fun plans for the weekend. I hope you guys do. We're going to some dinner tonight with some friends, and it's just going to be awesome. So I love Fridays, guys. Love Fridays with you guys. Okay, let's just start here. We're going to go fast. I want to get you guys into the analysis for Ethereum. I'm going to literally just run through this analysis as if I'm literally sitting down with one of my millionaire clients, you know, some guys that run billion-dollar hedge funds. Like literally when I sit down with them, I'm going to show you guys what I look at and give the full analysis on Ethereum today. So I want you guys to watch this, all right? Currently, we are sitting at 102 for 102 wins on this channel. We've never lost a crypto trade. I believe we are the highest winning crypto channel ever on YouTube. That's great, fantastic. I'll show you guys how to do that in the second part of this video. I will literally get you guys in to trade with us in our Telegram channel, all that type of stuff in the second half. I want to honor your time. I want to go over the analysis first. Real quick, so you guys know this, I want to say this in the beginning. The trend, exhaustion, price to swell, money flow. These are the best indicators to get, guys. The price to swell, money flow is going up in price. Do not miss that. It's in the description. We have a sale, 81% off all the indicators today. Okay, let's get into this and deep dive into the analysis. Guys, ready? Put your seatbelts on. Here we go. All right, quickly, I'm just going to say this. The trend dashboard up here is going to tell us what retail traders are looking at this morning. They're going to be a little bit confused. This is where I kind of like the markets to be placed because we can actually predict the moves, I think, a little bit better. What's happening here is we came from a pump. We're coming down to the drop here. Okay, great. What we're seeing here is that retail traders are like, okay, my RSI is bullish. My stochastic and MACD is bearish. I'm above the 50 moving average, but I'm below the 100 and 200. Oh, like that's confusing, right? Okay, I'm going to simplify this so simple for you guys to help us predict the next move. I want us to look at this. I will go to these two indicators, but I want to show you guys the Fibonacci retracement if you have not yet looked at this. Fibonacci retracement. How do you correctly draw Fibonacci? You need to go from the height of the trend to the low of the trend, and you need to look at the golden zone. I get so many questions. Travis, how did you create your Fibonacci like this? So I'm going to give this to you guys for free. Look at this. I want you guys to screenshot this if you want. Click on the Fibonacci. I'm going to go to style. Here is exactly what I do. There's nothing down here that I change. So this is all you guys want to do as far as your colors. Screenshot this right now on your phone or screenshot this on your computer. That's exactly how I create my Fibonacci. It's not the standard one on TradingView. This is, in my opinion, way better. The only two areas I have ever found to be applicable, and this is coming from never losing a trade, guys, is the 50% Fibonacci retracement and the 1.6 Fibonacci extension. Those are the two. If you guys copy what I just showed you, you guys will have this. Okay, so watch this because this happens a lot in crypto, guys. Let me give some evidence to this real quick. I don't want to just come out and show it to you guys. Like, let me prove to you how accurate the Fibonacci is. It loves respecting price structure. Look at this. You go from the high to the low, and what happened with Ethereum already is right when we hit the 50%, we saw a bounce back up. Okay, pretty crazy, huh? Do you guys want me to prove it to you one more time to show you, again, why this is so ridiculously accurate? Take the high of a trend, take the low of a trend. What do you guys see here? The moment that we push down into the 50% retracement, what happened? We saw a spike. Okay. Now that you guys have evidence, and I'm not just coming out here just saying some fancy things about a current price structure, Ethereum and crypto love to move off 50% bounces, all right? Now, let's take a look at this. We have come down with this wick value right here. I know it's hard to see. Let me go like this. It's probably easier. We've come down to this 50% retracement here, and we're starting to see the bounce this morning. Literally, I had this down here this morning when I was doing the analysis, and I'm like, oh, we've already bounced. 50% retracement. That makes sense. So that is a bullish sign in the market for Ethereum. I am currently in this trade with you guys. We got in on December 8th. We then got on December 8th, January 5th, and we still have two more buy limits in the market to be hit. This is an incredible trade. I think we're going to easily win this trade. I'm not trying to be arrogant, but I think we're going to win this trade easily because we have so much cash and great risk management. Okay, let's move down here. Price to swell, money flow, trend exhaustion. What do we see here? We pushed up into the top section of the red zone up here for the trend exhaustion, as well as we saw well money flow get up here to the top. Anywhere along these candles, guys, this did not call the drop on a single candle. I'm going to be transparent. I'm not going to try to proclaim that. That's a lie. That's not true. But if you look at the consolidation here within these 4 to 5 candles, that's exactly where the trend exhaustion got up in the top red section and well money flow is high. You guys know what I'm going to say next. That is where we watch for drops in the market. That's where we watch for drops. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. This is where you guys need to be watching for drops in the market. This is called the last 15 for 15 drops when we've pushed back up here. Even the small ones, like I'm literally, guys, this pushed in the top red section. We saw well money flow decently high here. This is actually correlated right here to this drop in the market. You come over here, you take a look at these areas. I'm not going to bore you guys with looking at all these. The point is these are the absolute two best indicators to call drops. Hands down, if you've watched my videos, 15 calls in a row calling the drops. Now, let's look at the pumps in the market. What I want to show you guys is how did we actually get into this pump phase right here? And it was able to be called. So listen carefully. This is a tutorial I'm about to teach you guys if you have not seen this already. When you guys see price action moving down like this is going to get retail traders caught on the wrong side of the market. And if you guys watched the Ethereum video when we were down here, I called out a bear trap for everybody. And this is why I was able to call it. It wasn't just a thing I just, said, oh, a bear trap. No, there was evidence, literal, tangible evidence here that we can look at to call that. Here's what happened. Price action moves down here. If you look straight down and you do not manipulate anything, go straight down, guys. If you here's the thing. A lot of traders sometimes when they're in a losing position, they try to find ways for the market to go to convince themselves it's going to go into their side of the market. That's not how you trade, guys. That's actually how you keep losing trades. What you need to do is look at the evidence and make wise decisions based off what's happening with actual data. Okay? When price action's going down, we are clearly seeing what, guys? This is very clear. Money is flowing into the market, making a low, a high, a higher low, higher high, higher low. This is an uptrend pattern. The trend exhaustion is also staring at us in the face during this exact same period here where it's moving up here on the bottom. Do you guys see that? This is how I was able to call the bear trap. If you guys were wondering how I was able to call this reversal, that is exactly what I was looking at. I called it out in a video. I think I did it 3 videos ago based off our video cycle, but that's how we did that. Okay, now let's take this into the current time frame. We're sitting down here at the bottom section here for the trend exhaustion. We are already starting to see a bounce. But the questions today is, well, what's going to go on here because the well money flow is not down at the bottom? It's literally in the middle. Does this have more room to go down? Yes, it does. So what do we have to do during these positions, and what do I do? If I'm in a losing trade, I hold. If I'm in a trade, because I know some of you guys got into this down here. Let me give you guys an example of where you guys got in. I know because I placed the buy limits myself. You guys did not get in at the bottom. You got in right around this level, about 30.72, 30.75. That's right around where I was placing that. Okay. Those of you guys who got in here, you guys are currently sitting up about let's call it exact. Let me get this exact on here. 6.43%. All right. If you guys have not taken profit already at 10% and 11.11% profit, that's where you guys should have taken profit if you guys are in this trade, because you saw the trend exhaustion high and the well money flow high. You guys know that's where you exit. That's where I exit. I didn't call it out in Telegram because the trades I call out in Telegram are only called out based off the entries we're currently live in on YouTube. It's the only way I can keep it transparent. That will prove to you guys that every single win we've ever taken has a YouTube video attached with it. So there's no one can come and say, no, you're not 102 for 102. No, we are. Literally, there's documented proof of every single trade on YouTube. Even going back to like October, we're still holding trades. I think Dogecoin has literally been held from like October. Did I get that right? Yeah, October 29th, we've been holding Dogecoin. So I'm keeping everything transparent. Okay. Watch for this move up here. I want to dive in here. I want to go to the metrics here real quick. I'll get back to what I was saying, but there's more data we need to assess here. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this is all going to update. Okay, we're still in the anxious section here for the emotional index for Ethereum. Yes, this makes sense, guys. We're still in this bear market here. It's just going down. It's going down. So could we be moving back up? Yes, we could, but there is a lot of pressure to the downside. Not even going to lie about that, okay? Come over here. Long versus short trades on the blockchain for Bitfinex. You guys know what the blockchain is? I mean, some of you guys do. Sometimes it's a foreign concept. Blockchains, it means it's the transactions that are happening. Are people buying? Are people selling? What does that look like? Well, what's the buying and selling on the blockchain for Bitfinex? Well, it's looking like at the moment right now, short trades are actually increasing a little bit, but long trades are kind of increasing as well here. Interesting. So Ethereum right now, we've got people saying long trades are increasing, but shorts are increasing as well. What happened here is more long trades were placed than short trades. So this actually, let me say it differently. More long trades were placed than sells and short trades, which is why it went up. What happened here was a tipping point. This is why markets reverse. And this is literally why we have the well money flow here. This is showing us whales are buying, institutions are buying, banks are buying, large accounts are buying. That's what well means, large accounts. All these large accounts are buying, but when they get to the top here, guys, they sell. You guys understand, I think there's a misconception that people think wells just hold forever. They buy and they dollar cost average and hold forever. That's not true at all. Not true at all. I hope if you guys have that mentality and that thought pattern, you need to remove it. I'm literally proving this to you guys. Watch what happens when the well money flow gets high. You guys know wells take profits in the market because they know that it's going to drop too. Okay, maybe you guys know that already. All right, let's move down here. Long and short trade risk. This is showing us that the risk is actually sitting up here to short trades, and the favor is where the metric value is. I do believe we are sitting in greater favor for a long trade. This could actually start seeing a reversal in the market where we ended up hitting the low, a high, a higher low, pushing to the higher high. I will show you exactly what we need to break here. Literally, I'm going to move down to there in 2 metrics here, what we need to break to keep staying bullish. Well, institutional smart money, guys, this metric you do not want to miss. When the market is getting fearful, whales and institutions are buying this up like crazy and they're making their money. Well, what's happened here is as the market has been coming up here, we've seen short trades increase over here. All right. Well, what's happened is when that increased, it correlated to a drop in the price because nothing ever just keeps going up to the moon. We saw this drop in here, and it also correlated to our metrics over here of the well institutional smart money. Now, if price starts going back up here very fast, we do want to be watching for short trades to increase here. You're going to see the metric bars come down here, most likely. I don't know what they're going to look like, but watch this with me. You'll see what happens, and that will most likely impact the market because literally, guys, these guys control the market. When you guys are getting super excited, they're shorting, and that's why you guys are losing your trades when you're trying to FOMO in, because they're shorting here. You guys want to know why you're getting frustrated? Because you're trying to, short when it's at the bottom, or you're trying to sell and then it goes back up. Well, wells and institutions are actually buying while you guys are selling. It's once you understand this, literally, look at this. Right when the market's going up, people think we're hitting an all-time high. What's happening over here? Short trades. What happened? It dropped. People are going down here like, oh my gosh, I'm selling because I'm scared. What's happening? Long trades. We ended up pumping, and then it goes back up. People are like, oh my gosh, we're going to the going to the moon. And then what happens? A short trade metric comes out here and drops you back down. Guys, if you are losing your trades, it is 100% because you are emotionally trading. Literally, it's because you're emotionally trading and you don't have good risk management. I'm not trying to be cocky or arrogant about this. Okay, please hear my heart in this. I will show you guys how to trade with wells and institutions because these guys are controlling the market. This is how we've never lost a crypto trade ever. Okay, and I'm trading with $100,000 of my own money with you guys. So it's not like I'm just calling out this over here and I don't have skin in the game. Okay, support resistance prices. Let's go a little bit faster here. I want to get you guys in the next trade setups and show you the sell we have going on. 3,600, that's where I'm looking at as far as a resistance. Let's take a look at 3,600. That's what was on the chart. So 3,600 up here, we're looking at this level right there. What we need to do, guys, to get bullish over the weekend is we need to have a break above 3,400. I'm going to write this down because I'm in this trade with you guys. And this is my analysis as well as yours in the morning. 3,400. Okay. On the notepad next to my computer here. 3,400, we need to break above this. If we break above 3,400, that'll put us above structure high is what that's technically called. Now, once this is broken, there is a next resistance point here with this descending resistance. It was a descending support, now descending resistance, and we need to break above, I would say, 3,600. So let's write that down as well. So 3,400 and then 3,600. All right. And then to break up even higher, we have to break the descending resistance line, which is over here at about 3,650. It's probably a good example there. And if we break above, 3,700, then we could get getting very bullish. So guys, I know people are like, oh, I hope this goes up. But let's be honest. There is one resistance here. There's two resistances. 3 resistances total. When you've got 3 resistances in the way, it may struggle a little bit to go up. It's not being biased here. The path of least resistance is to go down. Just going to be honest. The path of least resistance is to head down over the weekend. But if we can see correlation where well money flow is low and the trend exhaustion gets low together, this will sync up together. I'm serious, guys. Watch this. This is why you guys need these indicators over the weekend and to trade. Get these on your charts today. If over the weekend you see a syncing up of the trend exhaustion as well as the price versus well money flow, both being high at the same time, that is what we're watching for. Literally, the next move is going to happen when the trend exhaustion and the price versus well money flow come together. That's going to happen. Mark those words, and I'll prove it to you on this channel the next time I do a Ethereum video, okay? This has happened many, many times before. When it syncs together at the bottom, this is a perfect storm for a price movement back up. Okay, let's go over here. Dollar cost average entries. If you guys want to get in with, $1,000 at each green line, great. Hold it for 10 to 20 years. Incredible entries, exit points. We'll see another exit point when this moves up here. It's called exits very well for us. An incredible metric you guys want to be watching. Literally, look at those calls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 calls in a row. Absolutely incredible. In a bull market, we're looking for areas to tell us to get out for 50 to 25% exits. We're not looking for us to call the tops every time. That's what the trend exhaustion, the price as well, money flow are for. Okay, let's do this, guys. I want to get you in over here because I know some of you guys are like, all right, this is sweet. I love the indicators. I want to get in. I want to start trading. How do I do it? Here's how you guys do it. It's $49 a month. I know you guys are probably laughing. You're like, why in the world is this so ridiculously cheap? We have traders doing tens of thousands of dollars literally with our indicators, our metrics, and it's still $49. Well, here's the deal. I'm going to be upping the price of the monthly membership, okay? We're gonna do two things. I'm gonna be transparent with you guys. We are either going three things actually. We may end up adding a yearly membership, a lifetime membership, or we're going to be upping the price of the monthly membership. Either way, things are going to be going up in price. So the deal is here's the deal. I will give you my word. Everybody who gets in at $49 a month for our membership, when the prices do go up, I will grandfather you all in, and I will never make you pay a higher monthly fee. This is ridiculously undercharged here. We should be charging $200 to $300 a month for this, for the profits that people are making and everything you guys are getting. Okay, I'm not going to turn this into a sales video, but literally, like, how do you market stuff if you don't like kind of sell it a little bit? I don't know. Like, this is a great deal. Don't miss out. We're proving to you that we're the highest win rate channel on all of YouTube, and it's the cheapest membership you'll probably ever find online for this win rate. And on all, you guys, not only do you guys get calls, you're getting all the metrics for all these coins too, and the Telegram channel to get me as a personal coach to call out exits. It's crazy. Okay, that's going to give you access to all the metrics up here for all 12 coins. Literally click into all of them. You guys will see that. Here is where we are making our money. Click over here to live trades with me real quick. Every single one of our 102 wins have all come from this exact same page right here. If you guys stick around at the end of this video, I'll show you guys a little bit more of the flow of money, and I want to show that to you guys at the end that I missed doing in the beginning, but I want to do this real quick. Bitcoin is what you guys want to be looking at this morning because I'm going to show this to you guys, but Ethereum, get into Ethereum, click this link right here. Just literally hover over this and click this. You guys will get our next buy limits. I'm going to show you guys Bitcoin for the example here to keep it private for our members. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this will update. Okay, this will turn to 114. What you're going to do is simply take the amount you guys want to trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split $1,000 into 4 equal portions to $250. Place a buy limit here, buy limit, buy limit, and buy limit. $250 at each buy limit. Place all buy limits at the exact same time in your exchange. This way, if you guys go on vacation, if you go play golf, if you're hanging out with your family and the market drops, this will automatically trigger you guys into incredible entries, okay? That is how you actually have a bot trading for you on the exchange. I love this. I've literally been in Pismo Beach. I've been on the beach with my wife, going on what we call friendcations, and I've had buy limits get hit, and I'm automatically saving myself percentages by literally being on the beach and just playing with, we're actually playing Spike Ball. If you guys know what Spike Ball is, pretty fun game. So it's fun because literally I can enjoy my life and all the buy limits are set up and they're going to trigger me into these trades down here if we get low. It's incredible system. Now, once your first buy limit is hit, set your sell limit up here in the green. Okay. Now, once your sell limit is set up there, great, you guys are set up. This is the last part. Make sure you don't miss this. Get into the Telegram channel. Terrible line. Get into the Telegram channel here where I'm going to be calling exits with the indicators. Now, you guys need to sign up on your personal Telegram channel, obviously, your personal Telegram on your phone or your computer first. Click this link right here. It's also at the bottom if you guys want to click it down here, okay? Click that link, and then it will take you guys over to the Telegram channel. It'll be a hot link so you guys can join in with me here, okay? Where I'm calling out exits with the trend exhaustion, the price or swell money flow. This is how we are winning trades, and I'm going to teach you guys how to win these. The indicators, you guys are going to get 81% off all the indicators today. This is a sale we've got going on. I'm running it. You guys get to take advantage of this. So anybody who's purchasing indicators today, get the bundle pack because it's 81% off. At minimum, you guys need the price or swell money flow, trend exhaustion, and the trend dashboard to copy my charts. That's what I'm using on all my YouTube analysis as well as to exit. Here's the deal though. You get them individually, use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout. It's also on the screen here when you guys click this. That's going to give you 60 to 58% off. The bundle pack, however, is going to give you guys an additional 21% off all the indicators. This is the one that you guys absolutely want. And on top of the 3, you guys get 6 more indicators, giving you a total of 9 indicators over here for basically the same price of what you need anyways. And these other indicators are ridiculous. 2 Forex indicators that have never been coded on TradingView before. We're the first to ever code the 2 Forex indicators you guys get with this. It's insane here. Click this. Get this today. Do not miss out on that. We are going to be upping the price of the price or swell money flow at the end of this month. That's the sell that's going to be going up here. That's why you guys see the countdown of the days in the description that I'm going to start doing. This is going up in price. This is the last few days you guys can snag this indicator and it will never go back down to the lower price again. And in the coming months, in February and April and May, we are going to be upping the trend exhaustion and the trend dashboard. Everything is going up on our site, guys. We have the highest win rate. We are undercharging. We're exploding. I need to hire more staff to help you guys just get back to emails faster and just provide you with better support. In order to do that, we have to up product prices. Just being honest with you guys, not trying to do anything behind your back. We're upping prices to hire more staff to serve you better. With that said, if you're watching this video right now, do not miss this opportunity. Get the bundle pack, get our membership at $49 a month before it goes up in price, because it will, okay? All right, I told you guys I would do this at the end. Watch this. I want to come over here and look at this. We're actually literally going to look at, I don't know really what to call it. We're going to look at the flow of money. Okay, USDC.D. This is going to be what's called our stablecoin, all right? We're going to look at stablecoin, and we're going to pull this all the way down to the time frame down here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up the dominance for Ethereum. So ETH.D, and I'm going to end the video with this. I want to just, I don't know what this is going to say here. Honestly, guys, I didn't prep this before, but I want to look at this, and I'll tell you guys how to read this. Okay. So the orange line here, if you guys can see this, this is looking at the, we're going to call this stable coins. USDC and USDT, which is, USDC and Tether, look very close. That's in orange. Now, Ethereum in here is in blue. So you guys can see this. Okay. What's happening here is that we're seeing the dominance of Ethereum move out. Money is moving out of Ethereum. But what I want to look up here, and this is what I was curious about, is that did stablecoin purchases actually increase during this dip? And what happened is that it did. Okay. As Bitcoin and Ethereum are dropping here, people are taking their money and they're taking it out of the market and they're transitioning back over into stable coins. All right. Now watch this. If you guys see stable coins over here drop out very fast, and if you guys need to learn how to do it, rewind the video and look at the plus that I did to get this on my chart. Once you guys watch this, if you see a drop in the orange, which the orange, again, I'll click on this, it's the stable coins, USDC. If this drops out in the market, this is where you guys need to watch for moves up. Let me prove this to you. As you see money flowing out of stable coins here, this is usually where you're going to see pumps back up in the market. Why? Because money's coming out of people who are in stable coins, usually staking their stable coins to earn interest while the market's going down. When money goes from stable coins and it moves out of stable coins, that usually means money's flowing onto the exchanges to buy currencies, okay? What happened in this bull run here is people started to transition over into stable coins because they were expecting to drop back down. That is how you guys can start predicting some of these moves as well. I want to show that to you guys, just an extra analysis of literally, what I show my millionaire traders and like these hedge funds that I'm working with. So when we look at this, we watch to see, is money heading out here? I may add this metric to the website so we don't have to keep throwing this up here every single day, but I wanted to show that to you guys and end it with that. So overall, guys, we're hitting the 50% retracement, looking for that bounce up. So make sure you guys are watching that. But the next thing, if you guys are like, Travis, wrap the whole video up here right now and give me a solution of what I need to look for. Here's what it is, and this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm simply looking for the next time the well money flow and the trend exhaustion is either both low or it's both high, and that's where I'm looking for the move down or the move up. It's so simple. That's what's held true 15 times in a row for a drop. That's what I'm watching over the weekend. I literally be watching with you guys. Get the indicators in the description before that goes up in price. Get the membership before that goes up. Set those up. Get into some buy limits today. You guys are going to have a blast doing this, and then make sure you guys come over and join us in the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits and you guys get me as a one-on-one coach here of updates that I see in the market. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing, amazing day. Congrats on everybody making money. Watch for this to get bullish here, and watch for the syncing up of the price versus well money flow in the trend dashboard to call the next move. Get them on your charts, guys, and make some more money. I'll see you guys later. I have another video coming out here, and then I'll do Bitcoin later this evening for a Bitcoin roundup for the weekend, and we'll just keep going here. If you have any questions, email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com, and we're there to help. All right, everything's in the description. See you guys later. Bye.